In this problem, we are to write an equation for the function g of x, our answer will look similar to the one given here, that is found by transforming a function f of x in the following three ways. A vertical stretch by a factor of 3, a shift to the right 2 units, and a shift up 6 units. So let's approach these one at a time. I'll start by writing g of x equals, to stretch the graph by a factor of 3, let me look at a summary of transformations. To obtain a vertical stretch, we need to multiply by a constant on the outside of the function, or the output variable if you will, and the constant needs to be greater than 1. The fact that we're going to stretch it by a factor of 3 means that my a value will be 3. Whatever the function f of x is defined as, its graph will now be vertically stretched by a factor of 3, having put the 3 there. Now, to move the graph to the right 2, this says to move a graph to the right. Since I'm assuming c is a positive constant, this would be subtracting a number on the input variable. So when I subtract my number, I will make sure that I put it on the inside of the parentheses in the function notation. Because I want to move to the right 2 units, I will subtract 2. Notice that the subtraction of 2 is done on the input variable x, or if you will, inside the parentheses. Finally, to move the graph up 6 units, this says to move a graph up, a number must be added to the output variable, or if you will, outside the parentheses in function notation. So to move up, I must add on the outside of the parentheses, since I want to move it up 6 units, so the plus 6 appears on the outside of the parentheses. Once you're convinced your answer is correct, press preview. It says that my syntax is okay. If I submit my answer, I get a green check mark indicating that my answer was correct.